He's not fucking big. He's 80 fucking years old. He's stayed on the phone with you. He didn't say he had anything going on until you offered him 145 grand for something he said he wanted 164. So it's 1,000%. It's the number. So just say it. You guys are fucking both trying to be polite. You can even say, John, I know you're saying you're busy. You want to get off the phone. You want to talk tomorrow. Is that just a polite way of telling me you don't like the 100?
Yeah, I like that. I right with that.
That's cool.
Yeah. Because it is. The guy's being polite. Instead of saying fuck off and hanging up, he's saying, hey, I'll talk to you tomorrow. I need to get off the phone. He's just being polite. John, you're not going to hurt my feelings if you say the 145 is too low. Like, let me know what's going on, and I'll go work. Like, that was their first offer. Let me see if I can get them up. Let me tell them 160 is your number. See if we can get them up. Whatever it takes to get these things. We got to fucking dig.